Assalamualaikum. Welcome to our online class. Hope all of you are fine at home by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear students, today I am going to discuss on chapter 9, Environment of Bangladesh. After doing the class, you will be able to answer of these questions. Number 1. What are the elements of nature? 2. Explain the causes of environmental problems. 3. Describe the effects of environmental problems. And 4. What should we do to control environmental problems? Explain. Dear students, man lives in his own environment. Man is influenced by the elements of natural environment. With the gradual change of civilization, there has been a change in the relation between man and nature as well. Various activities of man have resulted in many environmental problems. The environment is also losing balance. We have a lot of things to do to prevent environmental problems in order to maintain a balance in the environment. There are 4 basic elements in nature. That are soil, water, air and light. Dear students, the sun is the main source of light and heat. Trees on soil grow up with the help of water, air, heat and light. On the basis of these elements, man's life on earth has been possible. At the outset of the creation, man was more dependent on nature. He procured everything from nature to survive. He selected necessary things from nature to build houses. He used soil as a tool for production. Soil does not increase or decrease, but it decays. Try to keep in your mind for MCQ question. Soil does not increase or decrease, but it decays. As a result, the mineral resources in the soil decrease. The increase or decrease of the remaining 3 elements, that is water, air and heat, make man's life difficult. We feel this problem during floods, cyclones, excessive rainfall and drought. So, we have to be conscious about our environment. We have to keep our environment healthy. Man came to a stable position starting cultivation. Since then, he has tried to conquer nature. He made vast cultivable land, clearing forests and jungles. He produced paddy, wheat, maize and many other crops. He used some animals, making them pet. He learned to hunt and cook some of the wild animals. Again, he used herds of some animals. Even he killed ferocious animals for self-protection. Again, man planted some trees for his own needs. These trees protect him from different kinds of natural disasters. But man creates different types of environmental problems also. Now have a look on the screen how man creates environmental problem.
Dear students, we see that man is a very intelligent being. He has made dams across the rivers using his knowledge. He has used the current of water to move machines. In this way, he gradually increased his domination over nature. He made large mills and factories, built cities and is driving cars and other vehicles. He has increased his comfort by making air conditioners. All these are making various kinds of sounds. Sound pollution is harmful to human health. With the increase of population and with the competition among all to live in luxury, the pressure on the environment is increasing. It can be said that the balance of man's life with soil, water, air, and heat is being hampered. As a result, the environment is losing balance. Because of pollution, many children of Dhaka city are suffering from asthma. In addition, heart disease, cancer, skin disease, and various kinds of allergy are increasing. Gradually, the pressure of huge population is increasing in the cities of the country. The cities cannot ensure accommodation and other facilities for the excess population. As a result, the number of slums in the cities is ever on the increase. Besides this, many swamps of the country are getting ruined for human settlement and for establishing industrial factories. Sometimes industrial wastes get mixed with river water and make it unsuitable for use. It results in the extinction of aquatic diversity. In the hilly areas of Bangladesh, hills are cut to build houses on the mountain slopes and at the foot of the hills. In addition, sometimes hills are destroyed to make brick fields. All these are the causes of environmental problems. The increase of various environmental elements causes the rise of temperature in the atmosphere. The sea level rises because of global warming. For this reason, many people of the coastal regions, being marooned, become environment refugees. Repeated cultivation of the same land reduces normal fertility of the land. Now, farmers are using chemical fertilizers along with the organic fertilizers. To make fertilizer and to meet man's huge demand of cloth, medicine, and various instruments, the number of factories is increasing. The black smoke, noisome gases, and wastes from effect of pollution. Serious changes are taking place due to the rise of temperature. It causes excessive rainfall, drought, storm, flood, and tsunami. Again, with the increase of population, their demand is increasing. As a result, trees are being cut down. Natural forests are disappearing. So, land erosion and rise of temperature cannot be prevented. It is even making holes in the ozone layer in the space which prevents ultraviolet rays of the sun. Dear students, due to these environmental problems, our future will be uncertain. That is why we have to be conscious. To meet the increasing demand of the people, trees, the unending source of oxygen, are being destroyed. The expected amount of oxygen in the air becomes uncertain because of indiscriminate destruction of forests and jungles. The supply of necessary food, medicine, fuel is getting at stake. Decreasing the balance of oxygen has naturally increased nitrogen, carbon dioxide, and other gases responsible for the rise of temperature. Dear students, to ensure our comfort and luxury, in the same way we are exhausting various elements of nature including mineral resources, birds and animals, rivers and canals. Many species of animal which helped us in our struggle for survival have become extinct. Gradual warming of the globe raises the sea levels by melting the ice in the two poles. Dear students, these two poles means North Pole and South Pole. For this reason, the low-lying areas of the coastal countries are feared to be submerged. Many countries, including Bangladesh and Maldives, may be affected.
I think all of you have understood the causes of environmental problems and the effects of environmental problems. Dear students, for keeping environment healthy, we have to maintain some rules and regulations, such as we will not cut down trees unnecessarily, we will not release excreta here and there, we will not throw garbage here and there, we will not speed on roads. We will be conscious of banning movement of the vehicles emitting black smoke. We will raise public awareness not to build industrial factories near locality. We will dispose domestic rubbish in proper place. We shall never dispose solid waste in the drain. We will not disturb peace by using microphone unnecessarily. We will not cause noise pollution in the areas like hospitals, educational institutions, libraries and offices. We will not cut hills. We will not throw waste in rivers, canals, lakes or seas. We will plant trees and take care of them. We will stay near nature. We will know the man-made causes of pollution and take preventive measures. We will give priority on the balance of nature and environment in development work. We will consider the balance of environment in selection and use of own food, dress and other things. Dear students, it is our duty to save our environment. For keeping safe our environment, sustainable development is needed. That means development without harming environment is needed. Dear students, I think all of you have understood the lessons and you can write the answer of the questions. There is a homework for you. Write in your copy. Write down the causes of environmental problems. Carries 3 marks. I am telling you again. Write down the causes of environmental problems. Carries 3 marks. Dear students, after opening the school, you will have to submit to me the homework. Your SBM mark will be dependent on the homework. That's all for the class. See you again in the next class. Thank you. Allah